father got me into this, and he used to go from Durham to Newcastle every day, and it was always a G5 that pulled a train up there, so that's how he got into it. Richard, our CEO, oddly enough, his dad is the same age as mine and came from Hexham into Newcastle, also pulled by a G5. So it is in the heritage of the North East people that the G5 is the thing that did all of the work. Every single one of these were built in North Road, Darlington, and when that locomotive works was closed, everything went in the skip. Luckily, somebody was forthright enough to pull all of those plans out of the skip, so they ended up in the LNER archives. So we've probably got about 90-95% of the drawings, but because Worsdale did a lot of designs, there were commonality between components, so you can make assumptions that he would have done this component because he did that on the J72 or something like that, on another engine, or you have an appropriate sized hole that logically this is going to fit. So part of the initial project to test the viability was just to make sure there was enough information to actually build it. We're probably looking in the region of 1.5 million. We have just passed to 1 million. We are a limited company, so any money that comes in will be issued shares. So everybody effectively is a shareholder in the engine. So whatever money they give, they will own a small part of it, which is quite a nice thing. It's just the right size engine for the heritage line to carry on that history to the next generation.